Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just here for a very quick heads up on what is going to be coming up on my channel. I have made a beginner's junk journal series and it will be starting on Saturday the 20th of March. It's got 11 episodes, I think I'm right in saying 11 episodes, going right from kind of some overview as to terminology and things and some of the different kind of journals, right through to creating our very own journal. We're going to do a shopping trip, so that's kind of super exciting. And yeah, I mean, just generally, hopefully have just lots and lots of fun. And hopefully, because I know that many of you comment saying that you've made lots of ephemera and things, but you've yet to actually make your first journal. So, I mean, really, hopefully this is going to kind of, give you the confidence and things to be able to just now go off and make your very first journal. So, yeah, I hope that you will join me. It will be on every single day, except for obviously the Tuesdays when my normal mass making workshops take place. So it will be starting Saturday, the 20th of March, like I say, and running, every day except for the Tuesday mass making. So yeah, I really hope that you'll join me, and I really hope that it's going to be useful, and as I say, I hope we're going to have a lot of fun, and that any of you guys who maybe haven't made your first journal yet will feel inspired and confident to do so. So thank you so much, and I hope that you'll join me for the first episode on Saturday the 20th of March. So see you guys soon. Thanks then. Bye.